What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Feature Tech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a very easy way you can reset your filters, whether it's on your phone or through the remote itself. Let's get started. So first, I'm going to show you how to do it on your phone. So right here, you have the Dyson Link app. So you press that, and then right here on the top right corner, you have your settings menu, and then you're going to go to your machine's settings right here. Once you press on the settings for your machine, which is your Dyson, you scroll down, and right here you're going to have the information about your filters. So you have your HEPA filter and carbon filter. Now, I just replaced my filters the other day. I actually did make a video to show you guys how to replace your filters. And what you do is right here, it's going to say filter management. You're going to press on that, and there you go. So right here it does give you the option to reset your filters separately. So if you want to reset your carbon filter or your HEPA filter, you can do either one. So you're not like, you don't have to reset both of them unless you want to. Now that is the first way you can do it, that is through the phone. Now let me show you the other way, which is through the remote. So now that I showed you how to reset your HEPA and charcoal filter through your smartphone through the Dyson Link app, let me show you how to reset it using your actual remote control physically with the fan. So when you're doing this through the remote, for some reason you can only reset I believe the HEPA filter, and I don't know why that is, but I can tell you that the one way you can do it is of resetting your HEPA filter, is holding down the oscillation button for 5 seconds. And once you do that, you're gonna get a visualization on the fan showing you a 5-second countdown. So once that 5-second countdown is finished, it resets your HEPA filter. Now that I showed you how to do both options, whether you want to reset your filters through your smartphone to the Dyson Link app, or you want to physically do it with the remote and the fan itself, let me tell you some of the reasons why you would need to do that. One of the main reasons that you would actually need to reset your filters is if you're just replacing your new filters and you're putting in you're replacing your old filters and putting in the new ones. This is a good reason why you would need to do this, because you need to let the fan know that you just replaced it with new filters, and it can begin the countdown again as far as how much, its measurement of how much dust and everything your filter is piling up, and it can reset the cycle once more. So when it comes to resetting your filters, that is one option. Another one is if you do reset the fan through the oscillation button, what you can do, what happens sometimes is, even though you press this is only for the HEPA filter. And sometimes it actually, for some reason, at least that's what happened with me, it resets the charcoal filter, but not the HEPA filter. So keep that in mind. So when that happened, I just went into the app and reset the HEPA filter through the app, and that worked like a charm. So that would be another reason why you would need to reset your filters. So this was my video on a couple of ways you can reset your HEPA and charcoal filter for your Dyson TP04 tower fan. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Hope you have a great day. Take care.